Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to set a reminder for a flagged email in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're managing tasks or keeping track of important emails, this feature can help you stay organized and on top of your responsibilities. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. This is the web version of Outlook, which offers a streamlined interface for managing your emails efficiently. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox and locate the email you want to flag for follow-up. Next, go to the flagged email. Hover over the email until you see a small flag icon appear on the right-hand side. This flag is your tool for setting reminders and organizing tasks. Now, right-click on the flag icon to open a menu with several options. From the menu, choose the period for your reminder. You'll see options like today, tomorrow, next week, or even custom if you want to set a specific date and time. Select the option that fits your schedule best. For example, if you need to follow up tomorrow, simply click Tomorrow. The email will now be flagged with a reminder that matches your chosen time frame. Once flagged, this email will appear in your to-do bar, tasks pane, and daily task list in Calendar, making it easy to track and prioritize. If you ever need to adjust or clear the flag, just right-click on it again and select Clear Flag or modify the settings as needed, and there you have it. Setting reminders for flagged emails in Outlook is a straightforward way to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Use this feature to stay organized and manage your workflow effectively. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and try it out.